snuggly.
What you guys doing?
Dad, and sometimes when it has this,
Olivia, what are you guys doing?
we're trying to find out ways to make fires.
We had a
They're
family.
using me. Daddy.
Yes, honey.
We had a family home evening night tonight on making fires, and now they're trying out their new techniques. We kind of have a nice backyard to try this in.
Okay, one trick with the cotton balls is if you use it, they have to be real cotton. One time I bought some that weren't made out of real cotton. They had
Mommy,
like
can you go get me my
polyester
coat?
or something.
Yep, just a
They
second.
didn't start on fire at all. So you have to have real cotton.
Oh, they're polyester kind of,
Yeah,
or part.
They weren't real stuff. So okay, so Rachel,
Hi, Raya.
hold this down here.
I can put it on.
Did you guys try the battery one?
Yeah.
Did it work?
It's really cool.
Cool.
I can put this on my tongue. I can put this on